The Home Ideas channel gives you tips and tricks for decorating your home, both interior and exterior.
Are you confused about choosing the best color for your modern kitchen? Or you are not sure about the choice of color combination for your modern kitchen? The following are examples of trendy colors for modern kitchens that you can use as ideas and inspiration. If you're looking to achieve a trendy and modern kitchen, consider opting for a colored one that will add a current touch. However, it's important to note that it's not just about the color, but also the design of the furniture fronts. Adding a personal touch through color will make your kitchen unique and distinct from others. There are many modern kitchen color options available. Modern colors for kitchens are characterized by being clean, fresh, and elegant. From neutral to bold, there is a wide range of options to choose from. When choosing a color for your modern kitchen, it is important to consider the size of the room and the amount of natural light that enters. You should also think about the style of your home and the colors you already have in other rooms. Contrary to popular belief, modernity and elegance are not mutually exclusive. Modern design is often associated with extravagance or groundbreaking elements, but it can also encompass simplicity. It is in this balance that elegance shines through. Take a look at these modern kitchen colors and draw inspiration from their ideas.